YouTube, it's your girl Sheena with She Is Fab, and welcome back to my channel. I have a home decor haul for you guys. I have been shopping, picking up things to decorate my master bedroom. I know I said in a couple of videos ago that I probably wouldn't be doing any hauls because I wouldn't be decorating because I was possibly going to be relocating. Well, your girl ain't going nowhere. I am here. I am going to be in Houston. Probably for the rest of my life. But I ain't mad about that because I love Houston. But anyway, if you want to see what I've been picking up, just go ahead and keep watching. And if you are new here, welcome. I'm glad you clicked on this video to see my content. And at the end of this video, if you like my content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would love for you to become part of the She Is Fab family. If you are an oldie but a goodie, then you should already be subscribed, and you should have already hit that bell notification for future uploads. And just know that your girl, you know, I love my day ones. I love everyone that supports my channel. I love you guys so much. But anyway, enough rambling. Let's go ahead and get started on this haul. So the first item I'm going to show you guys are these pictures I picked up from Hobby Lobby. This one says New York. And as you guys know, I am from New York. I was born in Niagara Falls, New York, closer to Canada. If you guys do not know where Niagara Falls is. So this is just a beautiful black and white frame of the state that I was born in. And then I picked up this one that said Paris. I was supposed to be going to Paris, and guys, excuse me, I'm not on camera because my allergies are on 1,000 and I look a hot mess. But I wanted to get this, excuse me, I wanted to get this home decor haul out to you guys so I can start putting everything up because I am redoing my room. So, but anyway, I was supposed to be going to Paris for my 45th birthday this year, but the Rona has shut that down. So when I saw this at Hobby Lobby, I just thought that it was perfect. The place that I was born, and then this would be my dream trip. But yeah, but anyway, both of these pictures, and if I'm sniffling, I do apologize. Like I said, the pollen is so high today, it is ridiculous. But anyway, it says City of Love, and then this one says the Big Apple. And these pictures were $24.99, and I purchased them when they had wall art at 50% off. So they were about $12, $13 a piece. I picked up these floral stems. Now this reminds me of pampas grass. It is so similar and it is so pretty. I got these from Hobby Lobby, guys, and they were $6.99, and of course when I purchased them, they were 50% off. So yeah, they have like this ombre. The top of it is like in a dark, I don't know if that's black or brown, but then it, you know, it goes down to white, or I'm sorry, not white, but like an off-white or a cream. And I picked up 4 of them. So they are just absolutely gorgeous, guys. I cannot wait to style these. This is how long the stems are. I will probably cut these because I'm wanting them to go on a piece of furniture that I'm going to show you guys at the end of this video. But yeah, these were from Hobby Lobby, and they were at $7, so I paid $3.50 for each. Just simply gorgeous. I also picked up a pillow cover, or a pillowcase cover. As you know, or if you don't know, I am doing my room in a boho glam, boho chic, bohemian type theme. If you follow me in my stories, I showed you guys a rug. I am not using that rug. I put that rug down and it just totally clashes with everything that I have going on in here. So I won't be showing that rug in the haul. I've already made my mind up. I'm going to buy, or I'm going to return it and get a jute rug. I should have followed my first mind and just got the jute rug at first. But anyway, these are the colors with pops of leopard print and black. That is the theme that I'm going for. Those are the colors with gold. And it's so funny because I've never really been a gold girl, but I am just loving gold at the moment. So yeah, and excuse me for sniffling, guys. I'm so sorry. But I absolutely love this pillow. It is so, so gorgeous. I love the browns and the blacks and the grays, or if that is black and gray. I think this is black and I think that's gray. I don't know, guys. But anyway, this was also at Hobby Lobby, and of course it was half off when I purchased it. Picked up 2 frames from Ross. I absolutely love the fact that it comes with this little white piece inside for only $6. If you like frames and you like to use frames, and you know that these pieces right here, the little white border, can be quite expensive. Once you purchase a frame and purchase that, you're out of almost $10. But I thought this was a great deal for $5.99 a piece. I actually like the art that's in these frames. So who knows? I might just leave the art that's in there. This kind of messes it up, but this is exactly what I'm going for in my room. But yeah, both of these came from Ross and $5.99 a piece. Again, if you follow me on Instagram, then you've already seen this tissue holder. I can't remember which beauty guru I was watching, and she had one of these, and I just had to get on Amazon and purchase it. Now, I don't know if she got hers from Amazon, but I knew I could find one on Amazon, and that's exactly what I did. So I'll be sure to link this in the description box, guys. But this is a gorgeous, gorgeous piece. I love anything acrylic or clear. I think it is so classy. So yeah, and the tissues, I will also link those as well. These are what I'm using to clean my face. They're very thick. So yeah, this acrylic tissue box is the bomb, okay? Thebomb.com. So yeah, purchased these candles from Hobby Lobby. Sage Teak Wood and Vintage Luxe. This Vintage Luxe smells so good. Oh my God, it smells divine, guys. This one smells okay. It's not as strong as the Teak Wood from Bath and Body Works, but it smells really nice. This, if I had to pick between the two, this would be my favorite. And these candles are $14.99, and of course I purchased them when they were 50% off at Home Goods. I'm sorry, not Home Goods, at Hobby Lobby. For me, I wait until everything rolls around to the 50% off. I never purchase anything full price in Hobby Lobby. That's just me. I mean, if it was 50% off and you missed it, it'll roll around in a couple of weeks. So, but anyway, and then you can also use your 40% off coupon that you can download from the internet. So if you didn't know, but I think everyone knows it, right? I don't know, I'm rambling. But anyway, these candles are from Hobby Lobby. This piece here goes on the wall. And I purchased it. Let me see if I can get a better view of it for you guys. Like, it will go up on the wall. And the reason that I got it is because I want to put it in my closet, and I want to be able to put accessories on top of it. I have a pretty nice size closet. If you have not seen my closet, then you can look at my apartment tour. I will also link that down below. And right now, guys, I'm actually purging, so I do have a closet clean out video coming really soon for you guys, because I am just trying to get rid of so much stuff. But anyway, let's get back on task. That is why, or this is why I purchased it. Now, I'm thinking I might just spray paint the whole thing gold, or what do you guys think? Leave it black and gold, because it's going to be in my room. It's not, I mean, it's going to be in my closet. It's not going to be out in the room. But anyway, once you attach it to the wall, you can hang, or you can, I'm sorry, not hang, but set things on top of it. And then underneath it, I wanted to get some hooks for my long necklaces. You guys will see, I will probably do a video once I put this together, just to show you guys how I plan to put everything together. But anyway, this was $12.99 from Ross. So yeah, I think this is super duper chic. I think it's cute, classy. I mean, it's just, I mean, it's everything, guys, right? This bathroom sign also came from Ross. It was, I think, $9 or $10. I'm not real sure, but I think it is super duper cute. I love the colors. It goes exactly with what I'm trying to do in my room and in my bathroom. Bathroom rules: always knock first, which if you have kids, you know they don't do that. Floss every day, wait your turn, comb your hair, turn off the light, pick up after yourself. They don't do that either. But anyway, yeah, so this cute little sign came from Ross. So I also found these 4 charger plates at Burlington Coat Factory. They were on clearance, and guys, they were on clearance for a whopping 99 cents. Okay, yes, and they only have 4, because they would have had more. I would have gotten more than 4. Now I'm thinking I may do a DIY with these. I'm not real sure. I haven't decided, but they are so gorgeous. I kind of want to save them for when I get a dining room table. But yeah, guys, let me know in the comments. I have a few ideas for some DIYs I want to do, but I'm not real sure. Of course, it would be something along the lines of bohemian decor, but these are absolutely gorgeous, guys. Let me give you a close-up. Great quality. 99 cents, guys. And again, my allergies are really, really bad today. I have just like sneezed like 10 times before takes before I record. So anyway, I also picked up 2 Moscow Mule cups. They were also on clearance for $2.99. And this was a great find. This is going to be so perfect for when I make my drinks with vodka. They had a lot of these, but they were kind of beat up and damaged. And I mean, it's just me. I'm the only adult in the house, so I figured one was fine. I don't know how much entertaining I'll be doing, especially with the coronavirus going around, but yeah, perfect. Okay, guys, so this is the final piece. I picked up a vanity because I've always wanted one. Never really, I don't even know why I never had a vanity. I'm so girly. I absolutely love putting on makeup, doing my face. I mean, you guys know this. So I'm not quite sure why I never purchased one, but that doesn't matter. I have one now, and she is absolutely gorgeous. I love her. Now, I will be switching out that chair because I don't think that bench can handle all this bouteille. So I will be replacing it with probably a ghost chair. I've already know the one that I want to purchase, and I'll probably be putting that bench, this right here, in my closet. So yeah, so she is gorgeous. I will link her down below. That's the candle that I showed you guys, and I'm not getting on camera because I look a hot mess. These allergies got your girl all jacked up. But if you have been following me on Instagram, then you already seen this, right? So this ain't no shocker. But anyway, I'm going to style this up. I already know what I want to do. I want to put those faux pampas grass plants over here in the corner. I mean, I look, y'all ain't ready for all this decor I'm about to throw y'all way. Well, I know y'all are ready. That's why a lot of you follow me. So yeah. So just hang in there, guys. I am getting everything ready for my room, to put my room together. I'm doing a closet clean out now, and I want to take you guys on that journey as well. And so, yeah, I just want to say thank you guys so much. I love you guys so much. The comments that come in, y'all have me cracking up. I know I am a handful, but my heart is pure. I'm a sweet, sweet girl. I love life, and I'm just so happy to be here. I know everyone is worried or concerned about the corona, but guys, this will pass, and we will go back to normal life. Just know that through prayer and through God, everything is going to be just fine. Okay, y'all know I'm all about positivity, positive affirmations, law of attraction. And I know, coming from a person that has not lost their job, and I'm doing home decor hauls, I know it sounds, it doesn't sound right, okay? I can't think of the words because this is coming from my heart, guys. But just know that um, I'm not trying to brag or boast. Everything that I do on this channel is because I love you guys and I want to share. I first started sharing on Facebook and Instagram and now YouTube. So I'm not boasting. I'm not bragging. I work hard. I work hard. I'm on the front lines. I am a nurse. I don't know if any of you, or the ones that do follow me that don't know, I am. And just know that through all of this, we are going to come out on top. Okay? That's it. That's my message. I'm done. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.